Hi everyone, welcome back to our housewarming vlog. Hope you all are keeping safe. My husband's cousin and family have come down to see us, so we had a small gathering and a simple housewarming ceremony. So do watch it and take part in our happiness. These are some of the highlights from our housewarming ceremony. After this, we had a dinner at Kerala restaurant, that's Taravadu at Leeds. Now, back in India, during such auspicious occasions, all the family members come down together and we celebrate well. There are some formal traditions which people follow in almost all the religions, like lighting a lamp in the new house, calling the religious head. Like we are Christians, so we already spoke to the priest, he'll be coming down and blessing the house. And formally, we light a lamp, come inside the house, and place it in the worship place. And after this, we boil milk. If you watched my previous video, we already boiled milk on the first day when we stepped into the house. But on during this housewarming ceremony also, we do boil milk. So these kind of some small traditions are there which we like to follow. It will be helpful even for the next generation. Like Aryan will learn a lot of things from these events.
Jump into the car on a Friday night. I wanna drive with you. Looking for a bar in the nearest town. I've never seen a sky so blue. We don't ever play it and the night is young. It doesn't matter what we do. There ain't nobody like. There ain't nobody like. You look so beautiful. And I'm so lucky to be yours. And you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. I'm not coming down. Ain't nobody like you. I could go 1,000 miles as long as I'm with you. Yeah, you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you.
Now, my mother-in-law has told Jose to place the Jesus picture in such a way so that when you open the entrance door, you'll have a look from the entrance. So we choose this particular wall, and it's actually facing east. So that's the worship place for us, and we placed our lamps over there, and we said some prayers and read scriptures. Now, after this, we'll be moving towards the kitchen and boiling milk over there. Actually, we are missing our family members and elders a lot.
Jump into the car on a Friday night. I wanna drive with you. Looking for a bar in the nearest town. I've never seen a sky so blue. We don't ever play it and the night is young. It doesn't matter what we do. There ain't nobody like. There ain't nobody like. You look so beautiful. And I'm so lucky to be yours. And you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. I'm not coming down. Ain't nobody like you. I could go 1,000 miles as long as I'm with you. Yeah, you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. Talking about yourself and you make me smile. I can listen all night long. taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. I'm not coming down. Ain't nobody like you. I could go 1,000 miles as long as I'm with you. Yeah, you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. Ain't nobody like you. Ain't nobody like you.
Now, after the housewarming ceremony, we all came down to Taravadu restaurant Leeds and enjoyed some yummy Kerala food. So these are the visuals from the Taravadu restaurant. So this was a formal housewarming function. I hope you liked watching my today's video. Do give me your suggestions and feedback in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. Also, if you're watching my channel for the first time and if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button and feel free to activate the bell icon at the bottom so that you won't miss out on my future uploads. Stay safe, stay connected. See you in another vlog.